Hello, friends. Today I'm doing something special. I'm doing a pour as a collaboration with 5 other artists for Artists Take a Stand on Domestic Violence. The 5 artists are Amy's Creative Acrylics, Rose M Creations, MANON PETIT Art, Amy's Acrylic Artistry, Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas, and me, Art by Sparkle. We are collaborating to bring interest to people to find out about these shelters. 2 shelters are going to be highlighted. There will be an auction from November 29th to December 5th on the pieces that we pour. There will be more information in the description with the artist links and the shelter links. The mixed media girl paints I am using today are gold, royal purple, white, a mixture of Razzle Dazzle, electric purple, and I added a little white to that to tone it down just a little bit, primary yellow, mixed with electric lime, and then a mixture of turquoise, powder blue, and a little bit of sapphire. The other color I'm using are Arteza Paints Pearl Lilac mixed with a little bit of Pearl Amethyst Purple. The colors of the banner for this cause are gold and purple. So I will be using a lot of the dark purple, maybe a little more than the other colors. So let's start layering this cup. I'm going to start with a little gold. I think it's pretty. Seen me do this before on my first video. Oh, I'm getting cells already. How cool is that? And we're just gonna put the rest of this around here. Wow, that's amazing. I guess it's from the metallics. All right, I'm gonna just stretch this a little bit.
And here is a close-up of the pour.
And here is the dry results. I think it came out beautifully, it dried beautifully, and there's a little shimmer up in the right-hand corner area, what I really love. So with resining this, it will really make everything pop. Well, this is me, sparkle done. I hope you enjoyed this marble roll pour. And I encourage you to check out the description box so you can learn more about who is doing the pours and a little more about the shelters. Appreciate you watching for those that subscribed. And for those that are kind of on the fence, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm doing another pour. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye. Till next time.